and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable a feature called hover text in macOS Catalina. The benefits of hover text is to help enlarge text, and for people that have poor vision, this can greatly help them see things better. Let's go ahead and begin this tutorial. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on the Apple icon on the top left corner. After that, we're going to click on the option that says System Preferences. After we click on System Preferences, we're going to click on the option that says Accessibility. After we click on Accessibility, we're going to click on the option that says Zoom. After you click on Zoom, you're going to click on the box that says Enable Hover Text. After the box has been checked off, the next step that you need to perform is you need to hold down the command button. And then after you hold down the command button, now you just need to hover over something and then it's going to enlarge the text for you. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to hover over the Finder button and then you're going to see that the word Finder has been enlarged. Here we go. As you can see, that the word Finder has now been enlarged. If I release my finger from the command button, it's going to send the text back to the way it originally can be seen. So in other words, it's going to restore the text to its original size. Here we go. So now that I've released my finger from the command button, Finder now looks like the way it normally does. And that concludes our tutorial. If you have found this information to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.